Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to recover your Monopoly Go account. So in order to recover your Monopoly Go account, the first thing that you need to do is to simply launch your Monopoly Go application, and after that, in order to recover your account, you need to tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you need to select settings. In the settings you can see the customer service option, so you will be able to just tap on the customer service option and it will redirect you on this page. Over here you just have to tap on any of the articles that you see in front of you and tap on the associated option again. After that, on that article you just have to scroll down in the bottom until you find this chat with us option. If you are able to find it, you simply need to tap on it and you just have to write the message that you want to recover your Monopoly Go account. After that, you need to provide some of the details associated with your account, like your account name, etc. After that, the Monopoly Go customer service executive is going to help you in the recovery of your Monopoly Go account. So if the video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.